friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is a monthly pre-plan with me for the month of May 2021. I am planning this monthly in my Recollections vertical spiral planner. And this kit is another one from Kimmi's Studio. They're an Etsy shop. I've been loving using their monthly kits recently. They are one of the only shops that I can find easily accessible kits, printed kits, formatted for the Recollections planner monthlies, since the sidebar is on the opposite side to the standard easy size and format. I am starting this spread by placing down the top bars with the date header and the days of the week, as well as the decorative sidebar on the left side there. I do tend to just pick up the decorative sidebar since I don't use my sidebar functionally very often. Next, I'm pulling in the full boxes that are included with the kit to cover up the days that are not in the month, and I'm just pulling those in now across the top left side of the spread here. And then I think we'll need one more, yep, on that side. Then extending onto the first block of the right side, but then we get into the first of the month on Thursday. Next, I'll begin by placing down some washi strips. The first of the month is actually on Saturday. And then I'm marking Memorial Day with the box included. To mark the holiday down on the bottom of the page at the 31st. Then I'm placing some of the patterned boxes throughout the spread to mark different holidays. I'm marking my best friend's birthday on the 20th, as well as the Cinco de Mayo holiday on the 5th, with just a solid full box in the Cinco de Mayo script. Then I'm pulling in another patterned full box to mark Mother's Day on May 9th, Sunday. Then I pulled in a bill due label that came in the kit to mark paying our mortgage on the 1st of the month. That doesn't usually happen. We don't usually get the mortgage out until the 2nd or the 3rd, but try to stay optimistic. I marked that Memorial Day is a day off with a day off script that came in the kit, and then I'm also marking payday with a payday flag on the last working day of the month when I do get paid. I pulled in a little balloons icon to mark that birthday on the 20th, and a house icon that I'll use to mark paying our mortgage. Put down a little sticky note to remind myself of the day off on the 31st. Then I'm going in and placing down the date number flags throughout the spread. And that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the music. for the rest of this spread. If you haven't done so already, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like this type of content. I hope to see you back on this channel soon. Peace, love, and happy planning, everybody. Bye-bye.